your ass up.
Look, what is that?
Lights.
What is it? Answer the question.
Lights in the sky.
Yeah, I know. You can't answer the question. It's not there no more. Movie. So what
Lights in the sky.
is it? Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. Is you going? What?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Good question.
But so you was telling me last time you seen something that was tripping.
I ain't say you was tripping.
Yeah, you did.
Just because you see lights in the sky, that means it's something so crazy.
What is it? When have you ever seen something like this, all in the line, and it's all lit up like this? It was like each was behind each other in a line.
And you just happen to snap it with your camera
Trying to do it again, and that's what happened.
on. Right. Now they disappeared just that fast.
What
Yeah.
even is this?
I don't know. I don't see nothing. Uh, Clouds. Will you put your hand in the way?
No,
We live.
dude, what is that?
You can't explain it?
Do you see, nigga? Look at the lights on this. You crazy, man.
I don't see nothing. All I see is yep, purple, green, and okay.
All right, and why would this be up in the
Why
sky?
is that not normal?
Yeah, you just talking. I don't want to talk to you because you just got.
How's that not normal?
How is this normal? I ain't never seen that like this. I only seen this on one other time, and that was like last year. What is it?
You seen it before, see?
What is it though?
You asking me like I'm in the air and I can fly and figure out what it is.
And when I said, you talk about you see something, it wasn't nothing.
Well, I'm looking outside in the sky now. I don't see nothing. You ain't seen what I saw. You ain't saw. You ain't never see what I saw.
You online?
Yeah, I'm on live. I'm on live.
They're trying to figure out what is this?
I don't see nothing. All I see is clouds. I don't know what it is.
Well, why would I try to take the video history? Did this?
I see clouds.
No, you don't. Do you see a mad stuff? Like it look like something weird. It look
I don't
like a
know what you
paint.
out there taking
It
pictures
look
of.
like a
Like you
painting.
took a picture of the snow or something.
It look like a painting or something.
I don't know. Me live. Should be a nice move down. Let's go. I'm live for until about 7 a.m. I just wanted to get on real quick and just do a quick live. Gold man says die 61. I'm thinking 27.47. I'm thinking it's gonna retrace downwards, and that'll be a nice spot to buy at. Because it's still bullish. The market structure is still bullish. Um, this Trump coin, I don't know. I don't know if it's reached I don't know if it's like reached consolidation or whatever, what's going on, but I'm thinking it's still bullish that Trump coin, but I think it reached consolidation. Hopefully, it keeps pushing up. That's what I want. But for gold, we're at 27.56 right now, and I'm thinking what it did was it started off in the zone, came up out of the zone, and then it came back into the zone. I'm thinking it's going to transverse the entire zone all the way down until it hits about 27.47. Then we'll get some where there's a lot of support already, and then we'll start pushing up from there. You could have got a nice coin, like if you would have sold from this area right here, which is 20 when it came back into the zone. If you would have sold from this area, 27.60, you could most likely get about 1,000, 1,300 pips. Yeah, you can get 1,300 pips, which is one of the which is a trade that you can take and be really done for the day. If you were prop firm trading, a quick $300 or $3,000 for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna live stream to about 7 a.m. and then I'm out. I did 3 hours yesterday, so I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna, but um, what I left off from yesterday's live stream was I left off with a buy. I had set up a buy, and it was halfway. It was in the zone again. It pushed down. The price pushed down, and it pushed back into the zone, and it transversed the entire zone. And before I left off live, I had marked up that it was gonna go up and go past, go up, go above the zone that had drew in, and it was already before I logged off live yesterday. It was halfway. It was basically in the middle of the zone going up, and then when I woke up, um, I put a whole bunch of rockets on the screen and everything, saying it's going up. And when we woke up, gold had skyrocketed very high, where it is right now, basically to all-time highs, which is, I mean, it might not be all-time highs, but it was much higher than where it was yesterday. We went to a high of what, 27.64. So we pretty much had gotten way down here somewhere, way down here, probably around 27, 24. This thing skyrocketed way up, way up to 27.63. So what I'm now thinking that it came out of the zone. Let me draw it in with this. Just make it visually easier to see, because this can be kind of hard to see sometimes. So it came up, broke out of the zone, made a resistance, came back entered back into the zone. Then it should come down, spend its time, then transversing all the way down the zone till it gets to the bottom. Maybe peek out a little bit of the bottom of the zone, and then it'll build some resistance in this area. Boom, push up, and then start making higher lows and higher highs, and then again start targeting those highs again. Start targeting those highs and breaking up higher. That's my hypothesis. I probably ain't heard that word since high school. Hypothesis. You know what? Most of the stuff we learned in high school we didn't even use, man. All that math, science, we didn't even use that crap, man. I still remember it all, but not a day in our life we gonna use that, man. The most you gonna use is addition, addition and subtraction, adding up your bills and subtracting your bills. That's all you gonna use in math. It's pretty. I don't use it. I don't use math. Science, you're not gonna use that at all unless you what? I don't know. Never using science. When do you use science in real life, bro? Like when you cooking something, when you cooking a meal on the stove, you trying to put the right amount of seasoning in that bit. I'm not gonna share the live to Trading View today. I'm just gonna go with the flow. If people tune in, people tune in. If people don't tune in, it's all good. It's all good. I'm not gonna play no. I might play one song though for y'all. I might play one song for y'all. Something new. Something new. I got a copyright yesterday, so I gotta kind of be careful. 'Cause I don't know what in the world was copyrighted. I'm not sure. That's why I'm not playing music today. I thought my music was exclusive that I played yesterday, but obviously not. Play one song for y'all. The aliens ain't zoom you up. The aliens ain't zoom you up. Yeah, like us for them. I never heard that. Play that. Like us for them. I got a copyright yesterday. I don't know what song I played got a copyright. You understand when I'm speaking because it's good for your health. Where I can go get the mag I just put on the shelf in a second or two. Shorten that 2760. It's not a dangerous trade. Laugh out 2760. Support. They all shorting right now. That's good. That's it's retracing. Should retrace down, find some support, and come back up. That's a good thing about gold that it always retraces its chances to make a lot of money when it comes down and then come back up. Do a lot of consolidation coming up and down. $48. Yeah, I will buy right down here at 27.47. It'd be a nice ones down there. You already collected 1,300 pips on this move here. This move up, 1,300 pips. This is another. If you would have sold when price moved out of the zone and came back into the zone, as soon as it closed into the zone, this could have been another 1,300, I believe. Oh, I did it wrong. Hold on. That's another 1,300 pips at least. But the way back up is going to be even more. We buy down here, should get another talking. We should at least 2,000 pips or more, maybe 4,000. Yes, sir. Full moon 48. Yes, sir. Lyrically, I'm a beast. Physically, I am too. I weigh 300 pounds and I'm 6'2". And I got 100 rounds just to hit you. I waved that one time and I'ma miss who? Nobody. Everybody dying. So to believe what I think everybody lying. That's why the kid rolls steady with the iron. Try to play me, I spray deep till I hear sirens. Everybody in chat saying 66. Oh, he tripping. 66. Eventually 66. Not now. Eventually 24. Eventually. Eventually. Scalpatings. Scalpatings. Zero. Yep, just a waiting game now. I mean, if you really wanted to, you can get enter. I would have entered if you was gonna really sell it back down. I would have entered as soon as this red candle closed back into the zone. I would enter right there. What will happen to gold? Yes, sir. I'm on till 7 a.m. and then I'm out. All I'm doing is laying the laying the tracks down for the train to go across the tracks. That's all I'm doing is I'm nailing damn tracks down. Boom, boom, boom. I'm laying the breadcrumbs. It is cold where I'm at, bro. 1 degrees and negative degrees is crazy to me. I can't stand the cold. I can't stand the ice nor the cold. I don't know how I live in this cold environment. I'm like, how? How did this happen? I need some warm. Like Jamaica weather was perfect. Like, dang, if I could live there forever in that, not not like is there certain living conditions there that is terrible, but like if you could live in perfect conditions there, man, it's like a little heaven in Jamaica. Stay focused. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're at 27.56. We're still pushing down. This market structure that they're showing us right now, it looks good for this thing to keep falling. Like when you see like the green candle and a little tiny red candle followed by a green candle, and they like all like pretty much the same size, that's a good indication that this can just keep like it did, just keep pushing up. So when you see that in a downtrend, you see the red candle, the small green candle, and the same size red candle, you know that it's gonna push down. That's like it's like a good indication of market flow. Gold will fly. 500 billion Stargate project was announced. Isn't that bullish for gold and silver since AI chips require gold and silver transistors? Yes, it is. The whole Trump administration is good for gold because the other countries are going to buy gold like no tomorrow. I mean, why wouldn't they? Gold is a safe haven, and it's been a safe haven for years. That's why America has the largest gold reserves in the world because they know it's the safest currency, and you can't steal it because it's too heavy. You try stealing all that gold, you will not get out the door. You can't rob Fort Knox. Like if you like, okay, let's say you made it past the guards and this, I mean, which is unlikely anyway that you're gonna make it past some guards. Number one, number two, that you do make it past some guards, you ain't gonna be able to carry that much gold on your own. You're gonna need a group of people, a team of people, trucks, forklifts. You'll never move that much gold. So gold is the safe haven. What's that?
It just showed you.
What is it? Somebody else video?
Right.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that might be like an asteroid that's coming down and in pieces burning. That's why it's lit up. And there's an asteroid of some sort, right?
And it's spaced together like that. And it's on the line, going all the way straight.
Yeah, because
And
it's breaking up in pieces. And you see it's all lit up like it's hot.
man,
You ever heard of a falling star? Who video would that be? I think it's like a falling star.
how is it falling? It's not falling.
It is. How you know it's falling? The world is circular, so it looks like it don't look like it's falling, but it is falling. Even on the globe.
Even this. What did I tell you? My gosh.
What's that? What's that? I don't know what that is. Yeah, it looks like an asteroid breaking up, and you see they all hot. They all lit. I don't know. No, I don't know why them staying in it, still in the air though. I don't know about that, but you still can't explain it. You still didn't see what I seen, so it don't matter. It don't matter. You really ain't got no real evidence. All you can see is something hot lit up in the sky, really, but you ain't seen what I seen. What I seen was close.
The same exact way. Literally. This shit is
You ain't never seen no flying pyramid. Save it. No, it wasn't in my sleep. I pinched myself, so I wasn't asleep.
Nobody can explain it. Nobody.
And neither can you. I already explained it to you that it could be an asteroid burning up.
There's no video.
Look up an asteroid burning up and see what it look like. Yeah, asteroid entering the atmosphere. It is the same.
This is not what I see.
You should feel it in this wick.
That's not it.
That's not it. Go to a different video. That's an asteroid.
Yeah, they all
Okay, it look like the same thing, like a streak in the sky that's lit up.
and this is always falling down. It's not never going straight across the sky. It's always falling.
It looked like it's going straight across the
Why in the
sky.
videos these all going
I don't know. Before it will fly, it will pull back. Of course, I've been saying that the whole time. Been saying that for the last. I've been saying this for the last since it opened, really. That it's gonna pull back, and the reason it's pulling back is because if you set up, let me see, what are these called? These called fixed range volume profiles. If you set up fixed range volume profiles, if you set up two fixed range volume profiles, and I have this market set up to be buying, but I can tell this is not a good buy spot. Looking at the volume profiles, looking at both volume profiles, can't just be one. You have to look at both of them, and when you're looking at them, you're in the oversold area. So this is not a great place to buy. So the best place to buy is when in the overbought. Yeah, brother, all good. You want to buy near support. So at the bottom of these volume profiles, both of them, this is where the support is. So that's why we're targeting in this area for buys. And you see, and you probably can't see it right now, but if this volume profile wasn't in the way, you can see that there's support at this level two times, support here and support here. And here again, it's another support level. So this is a big support level. And I was saying that since the price broke above this zone and came back in, this would have been a good area right here, right in this spot to sell right there. And you could have sold this all the way down this zone for 1300 pips. And then you could then get ready to buy in this area because all you got three support, three times it is supported in this area. Yeah, brother, all good. Come on, Trump, push up, push up, push up. This is my Trump setup right now. Waiting for everybody should be in this for sure. Why not? Official Trump coin. Even if you don't like the man can make you some money. Yeah, brother, all good. Why I keep reading that? Why ain't nobody else commenting? They have wings. I look like their plan was on point. Stay focused. Great week. Yo, this is a wild wick. That's why I know that it just looked funny. Like like this long skinny wick and then this tiny body. That's how you know that this is gonna pull back, fill it in, and then just push back up because the whole day is bullish anyway. This was yesterday's. These are some massive candles. Yesterday's daily candle is huge. It's green. It's huge. This is huge. And then let me see in total. Let me just see that real quick. What's the total of yesterday's move? Total of yesterday's move is 4,000. 4,000 pips. And today so far, it moved 2,000 pips. So today is definitely bullish. All we're doing is waiting for the pullback, grab some liquidity. And we know it's grabbing liquidity because we looked at two volume profiles. That is a gem for you right there, especially if you do prop firm trading. You definitely got to know that. If you don't know that, you're going to suffer drawdown, and that's what you don't want. You just want to get in at the right place so you can collect your money and be stress free. Knowing that simple gem right there, how you can enter in using volume profiles, easily you can do. Like you use prop firm trading, trading the normal NASDAQ or whatever, you can easily make 3,000 a day in one trade, 3,000, and be done for the day. Lock the account out and just rinse and repeat. I was thinking about, I'm not gonna get out of the Trump coin though, because it's got to keep pushing. Yep, this price action is just trash. We need to wait almost until next month. In my opinion, this price action is pretty good. It's just slow right now, but it'll pick up at around 8 or 9. It's gonna pick up, and that's when everybody in the chat gonna be trolling, clowning, whatever you want to call it, acting like they placed the bet, they placed the right trade in. They're gonna be up doing all that. Consolidation time, but somebody bought the top. This is like it is consolidating, but this is perfect consolidating because the ranges of this consolidation is 1,300 pips every time it go up or down. So really, you could take one trade and get 1,300 pips and be really done for the day. Like you could have, like people could have jumped into this buy and bought that. That's 1,300. Then they could have jumped in this sell and came on. You'd be done for the day. That's 2,600 pips alone on that. Then if you knew what was going on, you catching another buy up. That's another That's another 2,000. Yep, this price action is traveling. I wouldn't. I would like to be a buyer above 27.58. So above 27.58, I would like to be a buyer. I don't know what he's talking about, but someone bought the top. Volume profiles is how you not buy the top. It's how you prevent yourself from buying the top. You use two. You can't just use one. You use two of them. And the way you I space them out between every 4 hours. So if I use Xtrizzle's indicator, I can see when each 4 hour ends. So, or you just memorize the time. So 5, 1, and 21. Here we go. It's pulling down. Don't buy this pullback. This is where you get wiped out. Oh, yeah? Okay. I would definitely buy that pullback because once again, the overall day is bullish. Gold just loves to pull back. That's one thing about gold. Every time it's pulled back, it gives you so many chances to make so much money. All you have to do is really know price action, and these are everybody should add these ICT higher time frame candles by Fadi. You should add that. That's a no-brainer. It's an amazing indicator so you can see what is going on the daily 4 hour. You don't really need the hours much, but I say for sure on the daily, you need at least two candles, and on the 4 hour, you need three candles. The hour, maybe it helps time wise, but I'm using it for more so I can pay attention to when these 4 hour candles close. Just keep track of it. It makes it less of a hassle to keep track of. I just quickly look on here and it says 1 hour and 59 minutes. I'm not stressing. It's less things to stress about. And as you can see, we're almost halfway, we're almost halfway down this zone. So more than likely, what do you think is going to happen? This is going to fall down. Gonna do what I'm gonna do what I drew right here. Bounce back up. It did the same exact thing, just the last 4 hours. In the last 4 hours, the same setup basically, where it retraced and then it went up and did the same exact thing. So gold is giving so many opportunities to make money. This is the type of consolidation that you want to see. Now the consolidation that happened 2 or 3 days ago, where it was flat for 19 hours. You don't want to see that. And we're about at the halfway mark. It's gonna go past that, go down, money in the bank. What is the sense?
According to FX Street, gold is maintaining a positive bias for the third consecutive day.
It said gold prices are holding steady near recent highs, including a positive market sentiment. According to FX Street, gold is maintaining a positive bias for the third consecutive day. If you guys want to check what the executive orders that Trump and other presidents have signed, you can go to federalregister.gov and you can see all the things they've signed into law. I thought that was interesting. Scalper can sell 50. Correct. 10-year yields may bounce soon. Should send gold down. Slow drip to 49. We're building up a big red candle right now. Let's see. Let's go. Filling this wick. Why are these headphones so comfortable right now? Come on now, Bose. Yep, just crushed the halfway mark. Yep, we're below the halfway mark now. We're even with it. Pull down, pull, pull, pull. Soon 2620. I don't think 26, what? 2620? I don't know. I don't know what the man talking about. Maybe 27, 40, 46. 52 take profit set. This doesn't look like a sell. When gold sells, it moves quick. Wait till New York. Like, what are you even talking about? Like, when gold sells, it's yeah, like how do you know if it's selling, it's gonna move quick or fast or not? You don't have a crystal ball. Buy the dips. I agree with that. Need to break 2751 for sell. I agree with, well, yeah, I agree with that somewhat. Need to break 2751 for sale. Buy the dips. You think we could hit all-time high by tomorrow at least? Let me see. All-time high by tomorrow. Man, we're already at all-time highs. I'm looking right. Let's go to the monthly chart. Yeah, we're going all-time highs for sure. The high we have to knock out right now is 2764. That's the high we got to knock out now. So, I mean, eventually it's gonna definitely knock that out today for sure. Yep, just waiting on this pullback down to the 2747 area, and then we should run into three pullback areas. That'll be four pullbacks altogether. Should be a big push upwards. Shouldn't have anything else after this pullback down to this level. Should just be buying from then on. No more pullbacks after that. Pretty much the same setup as yesterday, similar or similar to this setup here. That was just 4 hours ago. Yeah, it's all the same. All you really have to do is conquer price action. Yes, yes, you're right. Making gold cheap for New York. Yep. Because when it comes down to here, see this daily, it'll be close to its open. It's gonna push right off that open and then just come back up and take out this high right here, which is the 2763. It's gonna take that out for sure. Candle needs to close below 27.51 for sale, for sure. Buy it from 50. Nah, I wouldn't do that. Buy it from 50. I wouldn't do that. Man, patience is the game. Man, I wish you just move instantly. Just get it over with, man. Just if you right, you're right. You just move instantly. You put your thing in. You put your seller buy in. And go whoop whoop. And be done. So I wish it worked. Still pushing down. I pause trading for now. Let this bull run cool off. Hmm. Why the camera cut on? Hold on. Let me see. It didn't snow no more, so we good on that. Oh, the neighbor. Yeah, this camera will follow me to the end of the earth. I like Trump. Okay. Buy this now. You're asking to be wiped. Gold always gives back. We have a nice pullbacks, man. So far, if you'd have bought in that, if you'd have sold in this area, that would have been at least 700 pips. You'd have sold in that area. 42, hopefully. I don't understand why they want 42 if, I mean, all the support is at 45. Why do you want 42 so badly? Let me extend this out. You can see what's going on here. He's Antichrist, didn't even touch the Bible when sworn in. Only buy if upper line breaks. Then you can have your 2700. Yeah, we're not going to 2700. I don't think. Yes, sir. We're going up and up on this Trump coin. I'm pretty sure we're going to go push to 48 and above. So I'm happy about this trade as well because I got in at a support level and then it's been pushing up ever since. I got no complaints about that. Let it go to the moon. I'm hoping it goes to $250, which it should. Come on, man. It reached within a couple days, it reached $70 all the way from 0.18. I'm not in a short already, so need it down 0. Yo, the chat should make a sound like anytime somebody leave a comment, it should like bing. It's a little bing. Trump says ICE can arrest people at churches and schools. Trump administration to conduct first ICE raids in Chicago after securing 312 electoral college votes. Is what it is. Will bounce bull. Where is he at? 2766. Come on, 2766. It's already past that. 2754. We're at. There's no news today again, so we're good on that. Nothing to worry about on that. Oh, we're fighting this price action now. That's it. I just want to wake up and see that the Trump coin has doubled my money. That's all I want to see. Yes, Trump makes news. Says typically yes now or from 2750. Long trades expect 3200 this year. 5 minute, my session is coming. Okay. Starting my $50 to $50,000 challenge. Yes, it is ambitious, but if you want to follow my cause, just comment under this tweet and I'll send you an invitation. Man, people's going crazy on that Phantom wallet, man. Trump signs executive order forcing entitled, pampered federal employees to show up for work. Dang. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Why they call him Melina the Hamburglar? I be thinking people be lying. Talking about something they're giving away 1,000 in Trump to 10 random people. Oh, $100 each. Drop your sole address, follow, and retweet. You know how many people gonna follow and retweet that? How they gonna pick 10? And they already have 630 retweets. Good news, we're still pulling down. Imagine this drop to Tuesday high, then back to previous month highs. $1.8 million in a week, and I have nothing to sell you. Ask me anything. In a week? Really? I don't know, man. People would be 1.8 million in 1 week. Oh, but he started at 150K. No. Morgan says, do men not realize that we can immediately tell if they watch? Hmm. Here comes the next Pepe that will retire my followers. And what Pepe is this? S $ S Pepe. How many Pepes they create? Ooh, heavy drops, heavy drops. It's just how I painted it. I know I can paint a picture S Hunting in the chat saying, "Wee." Gold only up 2,600. Not again. Trade wars, real wars, tariffs, inflation, uncertainty, U.S. tech, massive, gross. Those are the next 2 years, at least until midterms. Bonds about to go up. And I tell you, I could have took it if I wanted to, but I didn't really. I was just waiting on the buy. But come on, almost 800 pips right there. I'm trying to buy with the trend. The trend is bullish, so I'm trying to get in with the trend, so I don't have to worry. Higher probability trade. That's funny how the camera just loses focus. It's like a lazy eye. It just goes. Dip buying equals best buying. Facts. $51.6 kissed. Told you. Keep it hush. We will drop. 61.51. Target. Man, that's perfect structure for it to keep falling down in our favor. Good reference. Says futures are bull over 27.53 targets, 27.83, 27.94. I mean, eventually, delete the sell button. I wouldn't yet. It's like do 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 do. Jeez, bro. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Told you it was bullish 66 next. Scalping is illegally. Scalping is illegal, right? Great. Great. Broke baby. In this hour, I mean, in this 4 hours, still got an hour and 17 minutes. We'll see. Dips and chips. always works on gold. Stupid to go against the trend. He just blow me up, bastard. No reason to short something that only goes up. Yo, people in the chat be getting so happy. They be getting so happy. Come on now. Let the move work. You get too happy for nothing. Bitcoin, yes. Gold, FFS has supply, but everyone's buying. Yeah, see prices dropping back down again. I just double, triple killed them. Are you guys in buy or on gold? Never traded silver. Well, everybody's saying it's buy because you're getting a little bull pressure here, but since I already know that it already went halfway, it already went below the halfway point, I still have some confidence that this is going to come back down to support. Top previous day high would be nice. But I'm not, I know that it's still bullish for sure. The overall move is bullish, but we'll see in the next 10 minutes that 8 o'clock candle should pull us back down. Here we go. That looks to be a resistance area, and like it's pulling back down again. So yeah, if this pulls back down to these lows again, we'll have no trouble getting down here, and then getting out to our buy area where we want to then place some buys in at 27.47. Now they're back in the chat saying sell, sell. Seems like it's hitting me soon. Seems like it's hating me soon. Yeah, 27.15. I don't think it's going that low. 27.15. You're tripping. Oh, 27.45. Trump is consolidating. Hopefully it breaks upwards, but Trump is just consolidating at the moment. We're back at $41 in Trump. I'm hoping for $48, 7 more bucks. We'll see. Got another candle also opening up at 8 o'clock for Trump. It just pulled back up though. We'll see. That looks kind of promising. Looks promising. We have another candle open at, or 4 hour candle open at 8. So I can get rid of the 4, switch this over to 0. Get rid of these. I'll set that up a little bit later. Okay, pulling back up. Maybe that will support, but we'll see in the next 7 minutes. They say the higher it goes, the harder it falls. Agree, but all-time high would be a good place to consider shorting. Until then, this is pretty much committed despite small pullbacks. Will not load new trades for a while. Let's see how gold goes. This day is mine. Extrizzle has buys from 2766. Man, time will tell. We'll see. I mean, when it goes outside of my zone and comes back in, it has never failed me to reach the bottom of that trend. It's never failed me before. Let's see what happens. Told you guys to buy from 50 and also told you to sell scalpers. Be high next week. Good call. But but it never went to 50. Laugh out loud. We don't lose. We don't lose.com. I just threw my TA out the trash and just focused on buying every dip. Must have meant PA, price action. Two minutes, 2 minutes. Let's see. Set it again from 60. Can't. Kitty says, I'm Tory Trades 2.0. It's just too easy with gold. Keep buying. Camera with the H. Ooh, silver always looking for ways to dump. Trade that if you if your balls are big. I've never traded silver before, but I heard it's a little hard. It's a little more difficult to trade than gold. I really used to trade Euro USD every day. That used to be my pair. Euro USD every day. Or UJ or GJ. I barely ever trade those anymore. I only really stick to like gold and cryptos now. Price has broken past the open. This is the open right here of this 4 hour. Top Step. Everyone at Top Step TV broadcast starts every at 8 a.m. Buy high, sell low. Haven't touched 27.55. I'm still hoping for that pullback. We'll see. As bulls are pushing nicely. Why are you? Come on, 42 guys. If it break there, that is okay. The seller order is still on hold. COMEX opens in 13 minutes. More bull volume incoming. Drilling. Stop hit. I'm out. Nice little icing on the cake. Trade now. Bid. Just based off this structure, these 4-hour candles, the last 3 4-hour candles, including the current one we're on, I'm pretty sure this is gonna come down like exactly how I drew it. It's gonna eventually come back down to this sell area. And this is where we're gonna have all the bull. It just makes sense for all the bull pressure to be down here. So that's what I'm still betting on. And this is around 27.47. That's how I see the reversal even on the 1 minute. Yeah. I mean, eventually it's gonna have to fall. Resistance just formed. Resistance just formed at 2761. Getting weird in here. Have fun. It's always weird. We're getting a major pullback right now. Man, like I said, just looking at the candles, they're tiny bodies. Eventually, it's gonna have to be a pullback. Long, stringy wicks, tiny bodies. That stuff has to be filled in. Let's see how it goes, though. Trump coin still in consolidation. Says order block 4650. Order block 4650. Order block 46 through 50. Order block is 46 through 50. And there's an order block here. I'm not totally familiar with order blocks. 4650. After touching 55, I will go to bed. Look at the price. Look at how the price action is. It can't even go down 0.01% before getting brought straight up. Bless up and peace to the chat. Good luck today. Watch 57. Come on down. Come on down like you're supposed to. If it was gonna push up, it would have just broke through. Why have resistance at the top of that? At the top of the zone. Come on down. Come on down. This is probably gonna spill over into the next 4-hour candle. That's what it's looking like. Only got 41 minutes. We'll see how it goes. I am tired. What is today? Today is gonna be Wednesday. Yeah, I'll be in this stream pretty soon. We'll check back in on Friday. I'm gonna skip a day. I'm not gonna stream Thursday. It's got a lot of stuff to do. A lot of errands. We building here. I mean, it's pulling back down. I think by the end of within a couple of minutes, it'll be back down to those lows in the middle. I think we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I'm just watching. Yeah, look at the price action. Every dip is getting bought. Stop sitting out, in my opinion. Yes, yes, we're below the open again. He says, no, go up. I don't want to be gay. What are they talking about? Ah, my leg. Me leg. In fact, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to set a buy stop, buy limit, buy limit with stop loss, and take profit up here somewhere. And we'll see how that works out. I'm gonna set it a little past where I have it here, or I might just stretch this up. And that'd be cool. Watch. Watch how this watch how that go. Watch how that go. Like a chicken with his head cut off. 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 Uh. In fact, we'll probably keep the stream going. I'm just gonna go off cam. Let me see. Let me just disable the cam. Let's go, Trump coin. Go up. Room is getting quiet again. All right, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll be streaming Friday again. If you want to follow me on social media, my Instagram is one trade god. Follow my YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube page around now. I'm also on TikTok where I post. I've been really on my TikTok. I've been really posting about Nasdaq. And if you want to follow my TikTok is at TradeGod003. So, and I also have a Discord. If you want to get into the Discord, just hit me up on Instagram or right in the chat, and I'll add you into the Discord if you want to get into the Discord. And it's just easier communication. And yeah, basically, if you want to post your ideas and we just share ideas together, just let me know. You can DM me and then I'll add you in. Because I can't leave it in the description because it always changes. The link changes for security reasons. Just like I said, let's go. This is textbook work right here. I'm just gonna move this. I'm just gonna move the buy up just a tiny bit, and just to the blue line. That works for me. Create a little bit of stop loss, and we're gonna take profit. I'm gonna take profit at 27.68 or something like that. I know it's gonna go way higher than that, but I'll take profit there. So now that price came down, went up, resisted off the top of the zone. It's gonna push back up. I don't know why that disappeared though. I don't know why that disappeared. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Man, I'm in the stream right now. My words are gonna do exactly how I drew it up. It's gonna come back down to this 27.45 zone. There's support that it reached one time, two times, three times. It's gonna do it a fourth time, and then it's gonna be all bull pressure from here on, from then on. Hero, how close are you from your daily loss limit or max? 5K loss limit, so still far away. All right, stream, like the stream, follow me back. I'll be back streaming Friday morning. I got errands to run on Thursday, so I'll be back streaming Friday. We can catch some moves then. So thank you for checking out the live. Appreciate you guys. Peace.